Guys, what's up? It's the Electrical Code Coach here. This is the Electricians in Action, where we get together every morning and talk about the code, talk about the field and different things before we go out and we fight the good fight. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe now, and every morning at 9 a.m. we drop a new video where we get together, and this is the Electricians in Action. Today I want to talk to you about something really safety, especially if you guys are young in the game, new in the game. You may not think about the dangers of dealing with this old wire. So this wire right here is going to be a triple threat. Not all of it is, but some of them that you're going to face are. Now, most of them that you face, this old cloth wire is going to have asbestos in it. Now, we know the dangers of asbestos, and you can do a quick Google search. It doesn't take long to see how dangerous it is. Another thing that this is likely going to be composed of is going to be rayon. That was another material, fibrous material that they would use, and they would put it into the thread and into the coating when they were making this. Now, when they first started manufacturing wire, they thought the wire had to be fireproof. Later, we found out if it was properly sized and proper overcurrent, that the wire itself does not need to be fireproof. But back then they did. So they would coat it in asbestos, also have asbestos in the fibers, rayon in the fibers, and then the other thing that this conductor actually has, that not all of them may have, is this is going to be coated in a lead paint. So with that being said, this has rayon, asbestos, and lead built into it. If you know some other things that this has in it that we need to watch out for, if you want to let us know how you have interacted with it in the field, please drop it in the comments below. You guys be careful when you're out there today. You've got a long life to live. You don't want to get to 30, 40, 50 years old and be having breathing troubles, have mesothelioma and other things to do with it. So just be very careful when you handle this material. Avoid it if you can, and let's go out here and be safe today. Remember, the only way that you lose is if you quit. Let's go out here, fight hard, help people, serve. Let's change our legacy. Let's get out here and get to it. Woo!